This is just all part of RV life, but is the key word. We are currently sitting at a garage. Our backslide is having issues.
It when we pushed it to come in, it only came in a few inches, and it was kiltered. Is that, if that's the right word, or something?
That's a good word. Connie wobbled.
Yeah, and then worked with it, couldn't get it in. Finally, I walked away and started putting stuff up. Lynn got it in, but it was about that much off on one side. And we've had trouble in the past. If your slides get off, you have a reset button. You push it 6 times. On the 7th time, you hold it down, and it resets it and works perfect for another couple of months. But you know, today we tried to push the button, but
nothing.
The button won't go in, or the button fell out. Something fell.
Mm-hmm.
So we think maybe the button fell. So we're at
too many times pushing.
Yeah. So we're at a garage and got our fingers crossed it, and hoping, praying that things will go smooth quickly.
And they can get it fixed, and then we'll be back on the road. They're already in here working on it back there in the back, and so we'll let you know.
So in order to help speed things up, we decided to drive to Anchorage, which is about an hour's drive from Wasilla, to pick up the part, and they're going to replace the slide controller. They found where the button, probably over the years that we've pushed it, it's broke off and cannot be put back on. There's a part that's about smaller than a pencil lead, so it wouldn't be able to put back on. That broke off. So it held the contactor in place, and the contactor we're able to put on and reset it to get it back in, but we decided to go ahead and get the part to get them to put it on, so because nothing's holding the contactor in, so it could get lost easily. So we rode down to pick this up and hopefully save us a little bit of time. Took us an hour to get here and an hour back, so yeah, but they can get us out today versus getting us out tomorrow.
I'm Chris with Gearhead Garage. We work on RVs, boats, cars, anything power sport, anything with a motor pretty much. Any of your needs, so.
Yep. And I will say he went above and beyond.
Yes, great.
And we are very grateful, and we will highly recommend him. If you're in the Wasilla, Palmer, is that where we're at?
Yeah, we're up KGB.
Yeah.
Out of Wasilla.
Yeah. They will help you. They will take care of you. Friendly people. They care about their customers.
New business. We just started up, so we appreciate the shout out.
Well, that worked out pretty good. We're still on track to get up to Talkeetna today, because we have a flight scheduled for tomorrow to go land on the glacier and hopefully see Denali. Chris and the team here at Gearhead Garage did an outstanding job. The thing that took the longest time is driving to Anchorage and back, but you got to put it on quick and easy, and all for a reasonable price. So we'll put their information here. Make sure you, if you're in the area and ever needed service, they are a fairly new garage and could use the business, so they were able to get us in quick and easy.
We recommend them. 2 thumbs up.
Yes, great job. 5-star review from us coming soon.
An early start was denied. Trouble with our RV slide. Met some great folks in this town. Fixed our problems, turned it around. RV America rolling free on our Alaskan Odyssey. Take your time in Talkeetna, where the rivers sing and the mountains call. Slow it down, let your heart surrender. Talkeetna's charm, gonna steal it all.
We made it to Talkeetna.
Yep, after a long day of getting things worked on, fixed
Oh my
on, it's one of
gosh.
those days.
Donna and Tom had their own set of issues that they had to worry about.
So expect problems from time to time. Be patient.
Yeah, you know, it just happens. You're traveling down the road. I mean, like, things are just gonna happen.
But go ahead.
The good news is we got here, and when I put the slide out, it just went zoop. So I feel good about it. And something else that is very, very rare in Alaska, I'll show you some video of our campground. It's kind of different, but let me tell you, we have 50 amp. We haven't had 50 amp since we left the States.
And another thing, it's hot. This is the first day I think it's been hot.
Yeah, it's hot. We turned the air on. The air is running in the camper in Talkeetna, Alaska. So that was different.
We're gonna meet back up with part of our party. They've been separated for a little bit, but we're hitting back up with Deb and Joe of Chasing Our Sunshine. So we're walking to see them, try to find them.
Yeah, I tracked them. I track her on Google Maps and just told it to take me to her location. So that's what we're doing. So.
She knows we're coming. We're not stalking
Yeah,
them.
she knows we're coming. They've got a table for us. We're not stalking.
Eccentric streets and a small town glow. History whispers where the wild winds blow. Old log cabins, tales to tell. Every corner's got a spell. RV America rolling free on our Alaskan Odyssey. Take your time in Talkeetna, where the rivers sing and the mountains call. Slow it down, let your heart surrender. Talkeetna's charm gonna steal it all.
For something like 2 years now, Donna has been telling me about the fireweed ice cream. And we are finally here, and we're gonna get some and see for ourselves if this fireweed ice cream is all it's cracked up to be, because she has raised the level way up here.
It's very good.
So we're gonna see.
Hi there.
Hi, can I taste the fireweed?
Sure. Try to
You wanna hold that? It's on.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
You like it?
Tastes like strawberry. Okay, I'll do 1 scoop of the fireweed.
Do you want that in a cup or a cup?
A cup.
Go ahead and order.
Tastes good? You want one? Same thing?
Unless you want to share.
No,
Okay.
I'm not sharing.
And then give me one on the cone.
Okay. And he wants 1 scoop of the fireweed in a cup as well.
No, in a cone.
Oh, in a cone.
Yeah.
In a cone. Yep. And then he'll pay.
Tastes like honey.
I can't make up my mind. Okay, so we're gonna do something else Donna and Tom said we had to do. Try the spinach bread from the spinach bread store. Never had it, so. I am not sharing. Let me just say that. I've seen what it looks like, and there is no way I am sharing anything with you that I'm getting. Look at that.
What?
So this is something I've not seen before. We wanted water, and we got recyclable cups. They're aluminum. She said just bring them back to the window when we're done. I've never been to a restaurant like this that actually did that. Saves on a lot of plastic. If you're gonna save the planet, 1 cup at a time. Okay, so this is what spinach bread looks like. I can see this being a multiple trip, like every day. What do you think?
Maybe. I haven't tasted it yet.
Smells so good.
Yeah,
Smells great.
Yeah,
Smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision. Oh, if only you could smell it.
See how I remembered it. Oh,
it's as good as last time.
it's as good as last
All
time.
right.
I like it.
At the confluence of rivers wide, Sioux City, Talkeetna, Chulitna collide. Through the clouds, catch the great one's face. Denali shines, the heart of this place. Gateway to the wild, where dreamers climb. Every trail's a story, every moment's time. From the mini shops to the starry skies, Talkeetna's magic never says goodbye. Take your time in Talkeetna, where the rivers sing and the mountains call. Slow it down, let your heart surrender. Talkeetna's charm gonna steal it all. So park your rig, let the world unwind. In Talkeetna, leave your cares behind. Take your time, oh, take your time. Talkeetna's where hearts align.
So my name is GW and I'm the spoon carver in Talkeetna. This is a spoon I invented. This is a skillet spoon. It's got a wide blade, large bowl. The handle comes out the side, which allows you to cook in a skillet. So scrambled eggs, stir fry, tacos. I carve them right and left-handed. So that was my first patent, was this one. This is my crock pot spoon. So I designed it with that beveled edge, which tilts the head of the spoon back towards you. And this curve is just for the palm of your hand. This will allow you to cook in a pot right in the corner, and your hand never passes over the pot. See how my hand's back? So any kind of pot, right-handed, left-handed. This is my spatulas. I make a nice mosaic handle for those little honey pots, spoon rest. And then if you desperately need it, ladies, this is our husband beating spoon. We allow free test drives in the Wooden Spoon Company.
Oh, really?
Yep. Would you
Okay.
like to test drive it,
I would
ma'am?
love to test
I see a
drive.
volunteer right here.
Where you going, dear?
Where are you going, Daddy? It's for your channel.
Well, anyway, this is the Alaska Wooden Spoon Company. We are the
Cool.
local co-op. There's 10 makers currently this year, 10 makers in the shop.
Nice.
It's really amazing. You have to live in the area, you have to make your product, and we verify.
Nice.
There you go.
Okay, so we like the spinach bread so much yesterday that we are back out here today. The weather is not quite as good. Nope. It's actually kind of a mess. Rainy and nasty, and the people aren't out here today, so
We're under an umbrella.
thank goodness. But we got to have a second slice of that spinach bread.
Oh, it's so good.
So good. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Hey, we've got more to share with you on Talkeetna. Make sure you join us because we're going to take you on a train ride where we go into remote Alaska. You're going to want to see that. And we ride on a plane and land on a glacier. You're going to want to see that one too.
Take your time, oh, take your time. Talkeetna's where hearts align.
And if you've been enjoying the videos on Alaska or traveling through Canada to get to Alaska, we encourage you to hit that subscribe button. That way you can follow us and get more of these videos that you're going to want to see.
Yep. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.